this video, I'll show you how to buy a Brawl Star Pass. So if you want to buy it, what you can do is you can just head over to the homepage of your Brawl Star. From in there, you can see this Brawl Pass. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click on that. You should be able to see in here this. So it will show you this free right here that you can claim depending on your level. And you can also activate your Brawl Pass. So what you can do is you can just head over and click on this activate option that you can see right here in order to get this locked rewards. Once you have clicked on that, it will redirect to the payment page. So for this one, you can just see in here the price, and if you have some offer, you can apply that. And you can also choose in here the payment method. So for this one, you can head over and use the one from Google. But if you don't have any payment method for Google Pay, you can just use credit card, debit card, or anything that's available to you like PayPal. So from there, just click on this buy option in order to proceed with it. So that's how you buy a Brawl Star Pass. Hope we help.